G'day there, my name is Ben Wynn from Winergy Proprietary Limited. I started Winergy back in 2014 and we build agrivoltaic solar trackers to enable the co-location of energy infrastructure and agriculture on the same pieces of land. Our customers are anybody who uses energy, whether you're connected to the Australian energy grid or whether you need to use electricity generated behind the meter. So I was referred to our Business Connect program by the Smart Regional Incubator up here in Tamworth, which is run and hosted by the University of New England. The Business Connect team were fantastic here in the Northwest region. We had a bunch of one-on-one sessions as well as workshops. Really helped me with introducing me to local services as well as New South Wales government service providers. Helped us with our setting up our structure and our entity, which has been fantastic from an expansion point of view. In addition, as we've continued to grow, we've employed local people here in the region as well as employed a bunch of other consultants and services on our projects. So a big thanks to the Business Connect team. I'd advise any business seeking to start up in New South Wales to get in contact with the Business Connect team. They've been fantastic for Winergy in enabling that facilitation of introductions to the business community and to the New South Wales government services, and they've really enabled our success story to continue to grow.